The Strategic Performance Management System, or SPMS, is one of the 8 strategic initiatives of the Civil Service Commission. SPMS is a mechanism that ensures that the employee achieves the objectives set by the organization, and the organization achieves objectives it has set in its strategic plan. In 2012, the CSC mandated all agencies to establish and implement their own SPMS. It must have 6 basic elements: goals aligned to the agency mandate and organizational priorities, outputs outcome-based, team approach to performance management, user-friendly, an information system that supports monitoring and evaluation, and a communication plan. The Performance Governance System, PGS, the local adaptation of Norton and Kaplan's Balanced Scorecard, serve as the backbone of the DTI SPMS. A results-based performance management system, the PGS, provides a systematic approach of establishing strategic performance objectives, measuring performance, and collecting, analyzing, reviewing, and reporting performance data. With the help of private governance partners, DTI has adapted the PGS as the mechanism to align individual performance with organizational performance, complementing the various performance evaluation systems prescribed by different oversight agencies. The PGS ensures that DTI strategies, goals, and objectives subscribe to the Organizational Performance Indicator Framework, or OPIF, in support of the Philippine Development Plan. It translates statements of governance and the vision of a more prosperous Philippines into actionable strategies and commitments, leading to the realization of breakthrough results through 4 perspectives, namely resources, people and organization, core process, and external stakeholders. The successful implementation of the PGS, or the attainment of targets or outcomes, rests on a truly engaged workforce. The second half of DTI SPMS links performance management with other human resource systems and promote adherence to the principle of performance-based tenure and incentive system. The Performance Rewarding and Development Planning component consists of learning experience to advanced development, or LEAD, and the Program on Awards and Incentives for Service Excellence, or PRAISE. LEAD promotes people development and lifelong learning through a wide range of activities and projects aimed at promoting professional and personal growth. Through the SPMS, the DTI will instill the values of professionalism, service orientation, integrity, continuous learning and growth, creativity, teammanship, resourcefulness, conscientiousness, and loyalty in each DTI official and staff. Training is purposive and addresses critical gaps based on a competency assessment. A Professional Development Action Plan, or PDAP, shall be drawn up to improve performance, especially those with below satisfactory and poor performance ratings. Part of the DTI SPMS is the PRAISE, designed by the CSC to encourage creativity, innovativeness, efficiency, integrity, and productivity in the public service. PRAISE provides recognition and awards to officials and employees, individually or in groups, for their superior accomplishments, inventions, or extraordinary acts in the public's interest. The PRAISE shall provide benefits, monetary and non-monetary awards, and incentives to recognize, acknowledge, and reward deserving employees through formal and informal modes. Not to reinvent the wheel, the DTI follows the SPMS process contained in the CSC framework of performance planning, performance monitoring and coaching, performance review and evaluation, and performance rewarding and development planning. To ensure its effective implementation, the agency head must serve as SPMS champion. A performance management team comprising of dedicated officials and staff representing a cross-section of the organization will be established to exercise its role in the SPMS process. Coverage of the SPMS include attached agencies, bureaus, regional and provincial offices, and service and executive offices. This shall also apply to first, second, and third level employees on permanent, temporary, coterminous, or contractual status.